So tell me, what does a medical administrative assistant do?
Well, they're the first person that you'll see in the office. They'll do your checking you in, they will schedule your appointments, either for the doctor, for the hospital.
Tell me what kind of stuff you've learned so far.
So we've gone through the history of medicine, how it all started.
Right now we're learning anatomy. I mean, it's hard, but it's also fun.
Some of the basics that we went over is how to conduct yourself with patients and to be HIPAA compliant.
So HIPAA is how a practice takes care of your data, how they protect it, the password issuing, the encryption that you have to do for all of your data that you send, back and forth from patients. So it's very important.
If you met somebody who was interested in the medical administrative assistant program here at Carrington, what advice would you give them?
Do it. I didn't think I could do it. I was 27 weeks pregnant when I started classes, so they're really supportive to everybody, supportive all the staff, instructors, students, everybody.
I'm the only one in my family that's in college right now, and I want to make a career out of it, so I want to be an example for other people.
We want you to be successful. We want you to leave here with the skills that you're going to need to land a career and a good job. Do something that you love.
So what are you waiting for? To learn more about the Medical Administrative Assistant program here at Carrington College, visit carrington.edu today.